Go.
Alright, this is our van tour of the van that we built over the years. And this is the latest thing that we just done to it.
It's a 1993 Chevy G20.
Yeah, that's what it is. But to give it more room while you're inside, if you can get inside, we did this to it.
Put a swivel on the seat.
And you can see in the earlier pictures of the plates I used, I just took the seat off of it and took a piece of plywood and made me a template, made the two plates, and put a Lazy Susan from Walmart in there, and it works just fine. I used 1/4" aluminum plate and hardened bolts and locked it down. And it just gives you a lot more room when you're in the van maneuvering. And we got the ice box in there. It's even got a potty. Built a bed for it. It's got a sink somewhere, undercover over there. Everything you need to stay all night anywhere.
Put a vent in the roof too.
Yeah, put a vent on it. It's got a 100-watt solar panel on top. And then the first thing we done to it, first off, we run all over Oklahoma trying to find this van. We looked at a bunches of them, and to find one clean enough and good enough that we wanted, we finally found this one. Then I took and I run this solenoid here back to the house battery, so every time the van's running, it charges the batteries. And when it's turned off, it turns off your start battery, so it don't run down your start battery. It runs off your house battery. And then that. Then we did air shocks on it. And then we put a plug-in in it, just like for the RV park. You just pull your extension cord out, plug it in, and you got all the juice you need. And around here to the back, we put, I get one of these 100-amp-hour batteries.
Yeah.
Put 200-amp-hour batteries with a inverter back here. And this is where the solar hooks up. The solar keeps the battery charges, and it charges while you're driving. But we got the
Got a 13.8 charge right now.
yeah. But you run everything else like the ice box or whatever off of the inverter and the batteries.
The TV goes into it too.
The TV, everything you need.
Yep.
It's a camper van. It's a living van. It's just a van.
Air conditioning.
Then we put air conditioning in it. So it's got a 5,000 BTU air conditioner, which it will not run off the solar because the solar is too small.
Hence the plug in the side of the van.
But we did it. I don't know. All I'm allowed to do is work on it. I ain't allowed to camp in it. So I got my own.
This is my baby. Solar panels up there. It's 100-watt.
Yeah, but it's fully self-contained with the potty, the ice box, the sink, the bed, the solar, the air conditioning, the swiveling seat, everything.